What's the meaning of container? Container. Container.
Container. Container. A container is a software unit that provides a standard way to package and deploy applications. It enables developers to isolate their software code from the underlying infrastructure, ensuring that their applications can run consistently across different environments. Containers allow for efficient use of resources as they can be quickly instantiated and destroyed. They are commonly used in cloud computing, microservices architectures, and DevOps workflows. Overall, containers provide a lightweight, portable, and efficient way to package and deliver software applications.